Presenting the Property Armor P2 Slammer Cage. Pro Series cages feature angle iron with expanded metal that not only protects the unit from theft, it also helps prevent damage from vandalism and storm debris. The P2 cage can be fastened to a concrete pad or anchored directly in the ground. Set cage on the concrete pad, mark out the location, remove the cage, and drill your holes. Keep in mind, not all unit pads are concrete. If the pad is plastic or a foam pad with a concrete veneer, or if there just isn't adequate space to fasten to, we recommend anchoring the cage in the ground. Install the concrete anchors, position cage on pad, and tighten securely. Security fasteners can be used to prevent an unauthorized person from removing the cage. Contact us for details. To anchor in the ground, attach ground anchors to bottom of the cage. These come in a variety of lengths, but around 16 inches should be sufficient. Measure and dig 4 holes, align and lower cage into place. Concrete ground anchors or J-hooks, as well as ready-mix concrete, can be purchased at most local hardware stores. Make sure you don't cover the nut with concrete. This will harden and prevent you from removing the cage in the future. Some maintenance can be performed with the cage installed. However, you must remove the cage for major service or unit replacement. Contact us today to place your order.